These are the best buys from Lidl's DIY and gardening section this week, and this outdoor rug for $7.99 might be the best deal in the entire shop. I've checked out the best finds so you know what's actually worth picking up this week. So right at the entrance there are some really lovely plants this week. These standard fuchsias are $9.99. You're getting 80 to 100 centimetres in height in a 19 centimetre pot, and they are beautiful. I really do love fuchsias. Just one thing to be careful of, we can still get frost until the 1st of May, so don't put them out too early. They had loads of different colours and styles. They were a bit crammed into the trolleys, but if you take your time, there's some really nice ones in there. I did pick one up, such a pretty find, and these are one of my favourite plants. Definitely worth looking at if they have them in your store. Now the hanging baskets, these are $5.99, but honestly not the best. They look like they were verbenas, a bit underwhelming and weren't really very good, so I would probably skip those. But these geraniums, much better. They're $2.49, good size, good value. They're a much better buy, and again, I love a geranium. This water butt is $19.99, and for what you get, this is really good value. It's a 100-litre slimline design, but it also comes as a full set. So you get the stand, you get the tap, you even get the filler kit to connect it straight to your drain pipe. So it's basically everything you need in one. It's also made in the UK using recycled materials, and honestly, this is a really good buy. I headed straight over to the new section, and the first thing I spotted was this Lavano parasol. It's $59.99. It's just under 3 meters wide. You've got built-in solar LED lights with 36 LEDs through the canopy, and you can switch between warm, neutral and cool white. It also has UV protection, ventilation at the top and a sturdy aluminium frame. It's all powered by a solar panel with a rechargeable battery, giving you around 4 hours of light, perfect for long evenings in the garden, and for $59.99 I think it's really good value. Next up, these fleecy throws are just £1.99. They're 120 centimetres by 160 centimetres and made from 100% polyester. They had 4 different colours to choose from. They were really soft, perfect for throwing over garden chairs on chillier evenings, and for £1.99, great little buy. Before we get on to the next section, I just wanted to show you my new FlexiSpot desk. As someone who runs their own business from home, I spend a lot of time at my desk editing, packing orders, all of that, and I've really started to notice the effects of sitting for long periods, especially on my back. So when FlexiSpot sent me their E20 standing desk, I was over the moon. This is the 120 by 60 with the white top and white legs. First impressions, really straightforward to build. I actually put it together myself, and it feels really sturdy, really well made. It's height adjustable, and you can save your settings. So I've got one for sitting and one for standing, and you can switch between them really easily. It glides up and down smoothly, feels really stable, and it just makes the whole workspace much more comfortable to use. Now when I'm packing orders or editing, I can switch between sitting and standing, and it's made a real difference to my back. I'll leave a link to the exact desk in the description box below if you want to take a look, and a big thank you to FlexiSpot for sending me this desk and honestly for helping to save my back. These tablecloths are a really handy find for the garden. They come in a round or rectangular and 3 different colours. The round is 160 centimetres, they're wipe clean, they're water and stain repellent with a fabric binding and a non-woven backing. They're also PVC free and food safe, so perfect for outdoor dining. They're only £3.49, and the larger rectangular size is 130 by 190, and for the price these are a really good buy. Next are these citronella candles for $2.99. If you want to keep the bugs away, citronella is always a good natural option. They come in 3 colours with a burn time of around 15 hours, and they come in these handy tins with a lid. They're perfect for having on the table when you're eating outside, especially in the evening when you don't want wasps or mozzies around. Such a simple way to keep them away. They also have these citronella garden torches. I've bought these before and they're really good. You can use them to line pathways or dot them around your seating areas. They add that really nice atmosphere, especially in the evenings, but they're also practical, helping keep away mozzies and wasps. I picked a few up just to spread around my garden, and the best bit, once the candle finishes, you're left with the holder, so you can just reuse it with a citronella tea light. I think these are fantastic, and at $2.99, great value. This was definitely the star of the week this week, the Levano outdoor rug. They came in two different patterns, a leaf design in green and a more neutral black-white style. The smallest size was 80 by 150 and that was just $5.99. I went for the larger one, which was $7.99, and for the size, that is crazy value. They're made from hard-wearing, water-resistant fabric and they're really lightweight, so you could even move them around or even take them away camping, and to just shake them down to clean or wipe them down with a wet cloth, and they dry really quickly. I picked up the leaf one. It was 115 by 180 centimeters. This is going to be perfect for my outdoor kitchen for $7.99. This is such a good price. There weren't many in my store, so you will have to be quick if you want to grab one of these. They had some really affordable solar lighting. These were just $2.99 and there's a really good selection. They've got loads of different colours and shapes to choose from. They're solar powered, so no batteries or wiring needed. They turn on automatically at dusk and last for up to 8 hours. They're also splash proof and they come with a handy hanger so you can hang them up around your garden. There were some really fun designs including little solar flowers and even a lemon house, which I know the kids are going to love. And for $2.99 they're a nice easy add-on. They had a wicker lounger for $119.99 and it included the cushion. It's a rattan effect design, so it's stylish and durable. The cushion is water resistant and UV resistant, perfect for the garden, and I have something very similar in my very own back garden. They had a hanging garden chair for $89.99, and for an X-style chair, this is one of the cheapest I've seen. It comes with a large padded seat cushion, which is UV resistant and water resistant. You've got a full frame with a large stable base, and there's even a handy safety strap to help you get in and out of the chair. It comes in a grey finish with a matching frame, and I think for $89.99, that's a cracking price. This storage box is $39.99. You're getting a big 350 litre capacity. It's on wheels with side carry handles, and you've got the option to add a padlock. It's tool-free assembly with click connectors, and it's made from weather-resistant rattan effect material. They had some really affordable garden furniture in store. This sofa set is $79.99. You get a sofa and two chairs. It's fully powder coated steel and fully UV resistant, so it's a great little set for the price. They also had a dining table, which was $59.99. It's 140 centimeters by 74 centimeters, and if you're looking for something simple you can just pick up and take home, this is a really good option. And then they had matching folding chairs. They were $34.99 each, or two for £60, with an aluminium frame and a textured grey back. So if you wanted a full set, this is a really affordable way to do it. This artificial grass mat is $14.99. It's 1 metre by 2 metres and it's perfect for balconies, patio areas or even camping. It actually looks really realistic, it's durable, easy to clean, and for $14.99 a nice little option. But let me know if you'd use something like this. New in this week are these decorative solar lights, and they are $4.99. They had some fun designs including parrots and even a toucan. They're solar powered, just stick them in the ground and you'll get up to 8 hours of light. They also had these LED solar flowers, again solar powered, and these were splash proof, lots of really pretty colours. They were $1.99 or 3 for £4, and they'd look lovely dotted around the garden. Such an easy way to add a bit of colour and light outside. Next is this patio magic concentrate for just $8.99. I looked it up, it's currently $9.99 on Amazon, so slightly cheaper. It's designed to kill and control green mould and algae, and it treats up to 85 square metres. It's great for patios, driveways, any hard surface, and it's also super long lasting. So let's look at some DIY bits. First, they had this painting starter set for $3.99. You get 6 pieces in it: a roller frame, paint grid, dust sheet, brush and masking tape for just $3.99. And they had a second set. This one was $3.99 as well. You get 13 pieces, including multiple rollers, extra frames, 3 brushes, tray liners. So you've got everything you need for your next DIY project. Next are these men's safety shoes for $17.99. They come in sizes 7.5 to 11.5 with a steel toe cap and a puncture resistant sole. So great for protection, and they come in 2 colours. They also had these Dunlop Warp socks. You get 3 pairs for $4.99 in sizes 6 to 14. They're hard wearing with a reinforced heel and toe. And then they had these men's shorts. They're $7.99, made from cotton with reflective details and practical pockets for tools for your phone and other bits and pieces. This is the cordless multi-tool starter set. I love a multi-tool and I use mine all the time. This one has that clamp style top, so it keeps the blades really secure and it's fully cordless. So much more convenient. You get everything you need to start, and once you've got one, you'll use it all the time, I promise you. This laminate and parquet repair kit was $6.99. It comes in a storage box, everything you need, including a melting tool, wax melts, you even get the batteries. So if you've got any damage to your flooring, this is the perfect way to just repair it yourself. Handy to have as well, these essentials. This decorated knife set was $2.99 for a pack of 3, and they also had things like bucket scrapers, again, $2.99, great little bits just to have on hand. Then they had this laminate floor fitting kit for $9.99. You get everything you need to fit flooring yourself, including kneeler pads, which will absolutely save your knees. I won't fit flooring without kneeler pads, so this was really good value. And then they had this set of knives, $3.99. You even get the spare blades, 30 of them, so perfect for cutting carpet, cardboard, everything. Just be aware it's 18 and over, but for $3.99, I thought these were amazing value, especially if you're a crafter. They also had a wood carving set for $7.99 and a set of 6 chisels, again just $7.99, and I actually picked up a set of these. I'm using some chisels at home at the moment, so I wanted a bit of an upgrade. Mine are a bit worn out to say the least, and this is a really nice set. I love the wooden handles and you get a good range of sizes in a handy case. So for $7.99 I thought it was a great buy and I bought them. Next is this 20-volt cordless drill for just $19.99. For the price, this is really good value. You get the battery, a charger included, and it has 2 speed settings and a battery with an LED display, so you can see how much charge you've got left. For $19.99, it's such a good buy. They had some fixing sets for just £3.49, and for the price, these are brilliant. You've got a hook and wall plug assortment, so everything you need to put up pictures, for adding hooks around the house. They had a nail assortment, including wire nails, brad nails, and round-headed nails as well. And then a full wall plug set. All of these handy storage cases came with a clear lid, so you can see exactly what you've got. Perfect for keeping in the cupboard, and for £3.49, such a useful kit. This is the Parkside rechargeable LED light for $9.99, and this is a really versatile bit of kit. You've got 3 light functions, including a UV light. It has a magnet on the back, folding hook, and adjustable stand, so you can position it wherever you need it. It's USB or mains power. It lasts for up to 8 hours on a full charge. This would be perfect for the loft if you haven't got a light, and for $9.99, I think it's fab. So that's everything new this week. Let me know in the comments what you'd pick up, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. I've got more videos like this coming, so thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Quick one before I go, my small business, the Linen Organiser, is now back in stock. If you want your bedding neat, separated and easy to find, these bands keep everything together perfectly. They're available in all sizes and you can shop them on Amazon with free Prime delivery across the UK. I'll leave the link below.